Hey gang, this is a 2012 Fiat 500 with the no start situation. They reported to me that there's no pulse in the injector, so I went ahead and checked the pulse, and the pulse is okay. Go ahead, please. Start it up. Yeah. Okay. All right. Good pulse to the injectors. So they have spark. I'm sure of it. And the engine sounds real. How should I say? Like no compression. Maybe it's flooded. Maybe there's an issue with the engine. But it also shows a map sensor code, and it does have a problem with the throttle. The throttle is hard to move, so it needs a throttle there. Go ahead, please. Okay, good spark. One more time. Okay, all right, it's got spark, and it sounds like there's low compression to it. So I'm gonna pull a spark plug, see what it is. Maybe it is low compression, maybe it's just flooded. But electronically, as I said, it needs a throttle body and a map sensor. There's a hard code for a map sensor. Although everything is there, pulse, spark, pressure, it's not starting. So we're gonna change those parts and look at the compression also. Okay. I'm gonna report back with what compression looks like on this engine. Thank you.